If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The Smooth Skin command lets you easily and quickly reduce the appearance of wrinkles in skin within a face that Photoshop Elements can recognize in a photo by reducing the sharpness of the skin lines. While this does smooth the appearance of the skin on the selected face, it does also apply a bit of a blurry effect to the face to accomplish this. Note that, like the Open Closed Eyes and Adjust Facial Features commands, this command also only works on faces that Photoshop Elements can detect in a photo. Pictures where the person's face is partially obscured will often not work with this command, as Elements is unable to recognize that a face exists within the photo. To smooth skin in a face within a photo in Photoshop Elements, open the photo, and then select Enhance, Smooth Skin from the menu bar. If Photoshop Elements recognizes a face in the photo, it opens the Smooth Skin dialog box and shows the face within a circle in this dialog box. If there are many faces in the photo, the faces it recognizes are circled, and the circle in teal is the currently selected face. You can click another circle in the same photo in this dialog box to switch which face you edit. You can click the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons that appear at the bottom of this dialog box to increase or decrease the magnification level as needed. Then simply click and drag the smoothness slider to the desired level to automatically smooth the skin of the currently selected face. After smoothing skin, to switch between the before and after views of the photo, click the Before/After toggle button to review the changes. If you choose to cancel the changes, click the Cancel button to cancel the changes and close the dialog box. Otherwise, to apply your changes, click the OK button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.